Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Forte GT. We'll dive into what makes this compact sedan a compelling choice, from its spirited performance to its stylish looks. Get ready to explore its key features, driving dynamics, and overall value proposition. This comparison will help you understand if the Forte GT is the right fit for your daily drives and weekend adventures. Under the hood, the Forte GT boasts a lively 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, producing 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This power is managed by either a responsive 7-speed dual-clutch automatic or an engaging 6-speed manual transmission, catering to different driving preferences. Its sport-tuned suspension ensures a dynamic and connected driving experience, making every journey feel exciting and controlled. Inside, the Forte GT offers a driver-focused cabin with a standard 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. You'll find comfortable sport seats, often accented with red stitching, adding to its athletic appeal. Advanced driver assistance features are available, providing extra peace of mind and convenience on your daily commute or longer trips, making the interior both engaging and practical. The Kia Forte GT presents a strong value proposition, with starting prices generally falling between $24,000 and $26,000, offering a lot of performance and features for the money. It stands as a compelling alternative to rivals such as the Honda Civic C and the Hyundai Elantra N-Line, often providing a more accessible entry point into the sport compact segment. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.